Hi guys, it's that Lviv girl. Greetings from Ukraine. We have beautiful winter and I have electricity in my apartment. I'm happy. I am very tired, so I'm just gonna quickly tell you what I want to say.
Ти сюди, ти вийдеш, ти офігієш.
Eugenia and I, when we were in the center filming, we met students from Eastern and Central Ukraine who study hard, regardless of difficult conditions they're in, and they're architects and they want to rebuild Ukraine, Eastern Ukraine. I think they are pretty happy with Lviv, and I am also happy with Lviv. So we were just playing snowballs with Eugenia, and then we walked by this group of young people. They agreed to give me an interview. What is your name?
My name is Arsene.
Nice to meet you. What do you do?
I'm studying architecture in this place, in this college. It's a house of architects.
Oh wow. Okay, so you've been an architect.
Yep.
Wow. So can you tell me, we have this situation with we don't have electricity, and how do you live with that?
Soon we have exams, you know,
Yeah.
and we have blackouts of electric.
Yeah. Blackouts.
So we must to study with lighters, with we go to certain place with generators.
Like tents.
Yeah, пункти
Like this?
незламності,
Yeah, and instability
або
points.
or some study volunteers.
How do you eat food?
Можна я українською?
Так,
Так. Що ж, ми зазвичай ми скупаємося на цілий тиждень. І ми розогріваємо за допомогою кип'ятка, кип'яток за допомогою газу. Ось газові переливки, газові плити. У мене вдома газова плитка, ось і ми так розігріваємо їжу.
Do you live in a dorm? В гуртожитку?
No, I live in an apartment.
Apartment. You rent
Yeah,
apartment?
but the guys live in say co-living. Yeah.
Co-living. Okay. And where are you from? Are you from Lviv?
I'm from Sumy.
Sumy?
Yeah.
When did you come here?
For study, I applied to study architecture in Lviv Polytechnic University.
Okay, this is the university. And what is your year?
It's my first course, first year.
Okay, nice. Who do you want to be when you graduate?
I want to be some entrepreneur, architect entrepreneur, or some enthusiast, politician. It's stuff that I like.
Does Lviv has good university in architecture?
Yeah, but I would like say the best. I study in Sumy little, but I don't like it, and I see the difference here, and I have a pleasure to study here.
Maybe you'll go overseas also to study to Europe. It has good.
We have some exchange programs with German universities, Austrian universities, but I want to study here and be more public and help people and collectives to get houses. Yeah.
What do you mean? You want people who don't have houses? You want to help them to get
Yeah,
houses?
yes, some model houses, some co-livings for refugees, yeah, and other.
Lviv already has some refugee houses.
Yep, I live 1 year, months in, but not in a camp. I live in co-living for refugees and military people. I live now in apartments because I move out to be close to my university and to my place of work.
Is the university somewhere here?
Yeah, on Stepan Bandera Street.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful there. Only corpus.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the interview.
Thank
Good
you.
luck with your studies.
Thank you.
It's the first course.
So this is they created these architectural projects and then they presented them in this
House of Architects.
House of Architects. This is what it's called.
Yep, it's a house of architects. Union, prof union,
Yeah.
prof union. I don't know how to say it in English. Proфспілка.
Yeah, they've been having it for many years.
Профспілка.
Did you present your project? Was it nice?
I have it online on laptop.
Okay. Oh wow. Thanks. Off camera, these young students, first-year students, told us about the beginning of war and what was happening in their lives.
Yes, and this guy was actually serving in territorial defense and helped to evacuate old ladies, like retired people from some region that do not want to be evacuated, as my granny tells that I have born here and I will die here. But guys, it's not correct. So he evacuated these old ladies, and this real has a courage.
Yeah, and he actually prepared the basement, stuffed it with food for them to have to be able to function and survive the attack. And also the girl was from Poltava region, and they were actually sharing with us that their parents told them leave, and they did not want to leave, but they did not know how to explain to their parents that I want to stay here. But they actually all left and evacuated to Lviv. This is where they study. And they also shared with us that there was no light, but they have to actually, their studies, they demand them to work and do graphs, to plan the building with ruler and everything, and they do it at night with little light. And they said that we're gonna become blind.
Flashlight, you know,
Yes.
and they're actually very harmful for their eyes, but they are doing it for future. They are telling that when war is over, we will rebuild, and Ukraine will need actually architecture workers. So this is their future.
Yeah, Eastern Ukraine, we are preparing to rebuild it. Yesterday I was writing an email to my friend in London, and I was like, we have air raid siren alert, and it's serious because I'm getting text messages from the Ministry of Defense. So this is serious, it's coming to Lviv. And then I go to work. Oh, there are guys playing. I go to work and I'm fixing my hair, and I hear the explosion, 1, 2, and my knee starts shaking, and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna meet Jesus looking good. So this is what we had yesterday. We did not lose electricity, internet, because typically we do lose everything. So I'm happy to show this video to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye.
Снимайте на телефон, пані.
Нету камера. Та.
Ви зняли чи що?
Ні.